Hello coders, Synthetic Programming here with another video for you guys today, and today we are going to go over part 5 of our Learn Python from Beginner to Expert series. We're going to go over conditional statements, and conditional statements are the backbone of programming. It's how we use logic to make decisions on what to do with data that we have. So what we're going to do is a simple example in this one using an example of going to the movies. So we are going to set an age variable. We have someone who wants to go see a movie and their age is 16 and their parent permission is false. So what this means is that the person has an age that is 16 and their parents have not said that they can go to the movie. So how do we decide what to tell the person? Well, the first thing we do is we say if. If blank, then blank. So if a condition, then do some stuff. And so what we're going to do is we're going to say if age is less than 17 or the parent permission, or we'll say and the parent permission equals parent permission is false, then print you may not see the movie because it's rated R. So if the age of the person is less than 17 and the parents said that they can't see it, then print you may not see the movie. Else if, or elif, the age is greater than or equal to 17 and is less than 65. So if 17 is less than or equal to the age and the age is less than 65, in other words, if the age is between 17 and 65, print you may see the movie. So what this is saying is if the age is less than 17 and the parent permission is false, you can't see the movie. Also, if the person is between the ages of 17 and 65, they can see the movie. Otherwise, print and else is just everything else that's not these two conditions. And so what this pretty much encapsulates is anyone who's over the age of 65. So if someone's over the age of 65, you can print you should not see the movie or you'll get a heart attack. And we're going to use a different kind of parentheses for the, of quotes for these because we want to be able to use that this character right here, the apostrophe, sorry. So we're going to print you should not see the movie or you'll get a heart attack for everybody who's over the age of 65. Okay, so now if I run this, you'll see you may not see the movie because the person's parent permission is false and their age is less than 17. So this works, and so it does this under it. Now if we change the age to 17 and we run this again, you may see the movie, it says. And the reason that that's true is because the age is equal to 17, which falls into this category, and so it runs this code. If we change the age to 102 and run it, it says you should not see the movie or you'll get a heart attack because it falls into this other category where this happens. So the next thing we want to do is we want to say, okay, but what if parent permission is true and the person is under the age of 17? So we'll say if the age is less than 17 and parent permission is false, it'll do this. But here we'll add another elif. Elif age is less than 17 and parent permission is true. Here we can say print you can see the movie. And so I guess we'll keep may. We'll keep our grammar correct. So now if I run this again, you'll see we have this other data in here, but we'll put it to 15. So now the age is 15 and the parents said they can see the movie. So now when we run it, it says you may see the movie because the age is less than 17, but also the parent permission is true. So we just changed the conditions around to choose which outcome happens. So what you should think of is these conditions are almost like the rules that have to be set. And then the code that's under them is the outcome that should happen if that's satisfied. So that's basically conditional statements. There's some other things you can do. Instead of using and, for example, you can use or, and we'll see that as we start to write more advanced conditional statements and functions. But this is just the bare minimum for conditional statements that you should know. Just remember if. Between the if, you can have as many elifs as you want for different conditions, and then at last you should usually have an else. And the else just handles any situation that you didn't expect with any of these. Else just does everything else. You can tell by its name. Thank you guys so much for watching. The next tutorial we're going to go into writing some more advanced functions with conditional statements. That'll be lesson 6, and so you can click here to go see that one. And there's also going to be a link in the description. I will see you guys in the next one. Thank you so much for watching. Peace.